Hey, how's it going? I gotta do a quick unboxing of this Mainstays ceiling fan. That's a 60 watt, 3-speed reversible motor from Walmart. About 50 bucks. It's pretty cheap. Uh, it comes in white, and if you flip the blades over, it's wood grain on the other side if you want to use that. But I figured, oh, it does actually include a bulb too. So it's really complete. Yeah, we're gonna just basically unbox it, see what's in the box. I'm gonna assemble it and get it ready for tomorrow before the heat wave hits. So let's get something to cut this open. Okay, just have to make sure you guys were in frame so you can see it. So that's what the box looks like. Yikes. Probably a good thing it didn't fall apart. Because it did. They shipped it like that. Yeah, I prefer the white over the wood grain, but it's good to have it. You could always paint that if you wanted to too. Installation guide. Main bracket goes in the ceiling. Chains, screws. There's the screws for the fan blades. Oh, this is packed nice. There's your bulb. Comes with one free bulb. Non-dimmable. Cool. That's the first for me. This is made out of glass. Definitely have to be careful with that. You would think at 50 bucks they would have made this out of plastic. It's metal. Okay. Alright, straighten that out a bit. It's not bad. Now all I care about is the motor. Just need something that's gonna last a while. Don't care if it's got no features. There's your blade, hardware, and that is it. Alright, let's see, we'll slap this thing together and see what it looks like. Yeah, this is where it pays off to read the instructions, which I normally don't do. That ring's got to go on the motor before you put the blades on. So we'll have to take it apart off camera. Well, I will say I'm impressed. Given the price point, still can't get over that it comes with a full set of Moretts, the good ones, but the thin little ones you can barely use. It came with a bulb, which is pretty cool. 800 Kelvin. I don't know if it says non-dimmable. Gives the Kelvins there, but I don't know what if that's soft white or warm white. I can't see anything on it. I hope it's not warm white. I hate it. But anyway, there you go. I mean, it's pretty good for what you pay. It's all aluminum with wood, and then it's got the frosted glass light cover. I mean, what's good about this is this will last forever till the bearings wear out. All you have to worry about is a run cap, which will die. You know, it could outlast the motor if it's in the right conditions. If it's in a really hot condition, they tend to fail. You just swap that out and it's good to go again. But this thing will basically run forever. I would avoid the ones on Amazon come with remotes. You're just asking for trouble because that's a failure point. If the remote fails, it doesn't work. If the board inside the fan fails, it doesn't work. This thing is just a motor. There's nothing major. Two couple of switches, a motor, and a run cap, and that is it. So this is the way they used to make them. Bearings feel pretty smooth as well. So that's ready to go. All I have to do is mount that to the ceiling. I don't normally bother with the strap. A lot of people do. I just know that it's going to stay on the ceiling, so I've never had to bother with those. But yeah, I believe this is what this is for. You can, if you don't have a strap on the box, you can just push that into the drywall, and then I'll keep it from falling. It also comes with some of these. I don't know what they're for. There's two of them. Might be for this. To mount this somewhere. No, the screws are all there. That just mounts up like that. And then this piece here goes against the holes in the side of that rim there. But yeah, pretty straightforward and decent quality.